Hey guys, SSK here, and today, since I reached 80 subscribers, nice guys, can't believe I actually reached it, because I felt like I was gonna be stuck on 73 or 75, because nobody actually subscribed to me anymore, but now, someone actually decided to, which is great. So, since I reached 80 subscribers, I want to showcase this weird Sonic I found. And yes, it's in a unboxing. So here we go. Okay, here it is. And it looks weird. You see? Looks weird. Why does Sonic have no gloves? Why doesn't he have gloves? Anyways, so this is the weird Sonic I found on, what's it called again? Best Buy, I think. And it looks weird, but I wanted to show you guys this for my 80 subscriber special. Anyways, here I'm gonna open it. I don't know. Got those stuff. Look at the cover. It looks nice. And how do I open this? How do I open this? What now?
A few moments later.
Do I take this off? Oh, I take this thing off. And I put this. Ouch. Put this thing out. Oh, here's how you do it. So I took this thing out. Cover. I'm gonna take this out, and then, oh, the phone almost fell down. There we go. And give me the toy. What's on? Oh, you know, give me a toy. Oh, it has those things. Oh, it's gonna take a while, so here I'll be. Okay, I took it all out. Now let's take out the toy and look how it looks. I can't do that. Like this. This is how the toy looks. I'm gonna put this a little off because I'm scared to show my face, and I'm not allowed to do that yet. Here's how the toy looks. It looks pretty weird, to be honest, but cool at the same time because it's Sonic. I'm just kidding. It's Sonic, and it looks weird. I keep saying weird because it looks weird, guys. And it has those things. Wait, hold up. Yeah, it has those things, so yeah, like that's why I could be doing like this. I don't know what he's doing. Okay, let's pick up. There we go. Look at it. Looks weird. It looks original. Now I'm gonna say this. I never got a classic Sonic toy. Looks so beautiful. Looks so beautiful, but weird. It's weird, guys, okay? Look at it. It looks like it looks like we can see inside through him how he's made in the toy version. But in reality, I don't see nothing, you see? Look, I don't see nothing like stuff. How do they make these? The only thing I see is when they move it, there's little circle things. But anyways, here's Sonic for you guys, and hopefully I'm gonna put this in my stop motions if I could do. Okay, I'm gonna fix that like later, but look at it. It looks so beautiful, guys. Don't you agree? Hi, people. Anyways, thanks everybody so much for watching, and look, it actually came out perfectly this time. Thanks everybody so much for watching. Like this video and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.